AMD has released a new chipset driver for supported motherboards, and it now officially supports Windows 11 version 25H2. This is a quick update to keep you informed. In the latest release notes, you will see the AMD Ryzen chipset driver version 7.11.26.2142. The highlights mention added support for Windows 11 25H2, an updated installer EULA, and several bug fixes. If you scroll through the release notes, you will find the full list of supported chipsets and processors. You can pause the page to check if your hardware is included. The package contents and the direct download link are also available there. Just click the link to start the download. I'll have the page linked below as well. This update is important because Microsoft often places safeguard holds on devices that are not fully compliant with the required drivers or hardware for major updates, such as Windows 11 version 25H2. So, if you're using an AMD-based system and still have not received the 25H2 update through Windows Update, this might be the reason. Your chipset driver may not be supported yet. Download and install the latest AMD chipset driver, restart your PC, and then check for updates again. Try clicking Check for Updates or Seek Updates to see if Windows now offers you the 25H2 feature update. This means another hardware manufacturer, AMD, has now rolled out a fully supported chipset driver for Windows 11 version 25H2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.